Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I originally filmed this time lapse on my phone for TikTok, which is why it's filmed like this, like vertically rather than how a normal YouTube video is. But I decided to share a longer version on here and talk about it a little bit. So I decided to paint this large portrait of my cat Clay around February of this year. I originally created it to submit in a really large art competition here in the UK. I remember it being a really huge deal for me because it was the first time I'd ever entered a competition of that scale, and unfortunately I didn't get anywhere. I didn't hear anything, and I remember being really gutted about that part. But I was really proud of myself for this painting. It's honestly my all-time favourite painting, and it's of my cat as well, who I absolutely love, so like it's a double bonus. And to be honest, I think the painting kind of symbolises how far I've come, not only in my painting journey but also in my life. It's a piece that I will definitely treasure for a really long time. I remember it took me about maybe 5 days in total to paint up and complete, and yeah, I just remember being really happy and really proud of myself afterwards. Like I thought, oh my god, I made that, especially since I only started to learn how to paint last year. Like it was just such a big kind of milestone for me. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If there's any questions or anything you want to know in particular about this painting or skills or anything like that, leave a comment in the comment section and I will do like a future video, if not like just a regular reply. And all the materials that I've used, I'll link them in the description so you guys can have a look and see. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!